So I'm here at the gorgeous studio of Mellow Pilates over in Ashton and Makerfield, which is near Wigan. And this is for the Shamanic style sound bath today. So we have all these gorgeous earthy tones and sounds playing, sounds of nature. And then we'll also take you through a guided journey to meet your spirit guides. So we've just got different drums. Both these are the Remo drums. Just for the reason I don't use animal skins, so my drums are all synthetic. Favourite, the thunder drum. Yeah, I just love the sound of that. And then there's the Chicago as well. So it's got a lovely sound of the trees there. And then just the steel tom drum. And there's also the rain stick, the ocean drum, all these lovely different sounds. So just playing throughout your journey. And you're just literally just invited to sit back, just bathe in these gorgeous sounds and possibly meet your spirit guides or spirit animals. So if you'd like to come along to one of these sessions, please feel free to get in touch. Happy to talk about it in more detail, just to see if this is the right kind of session for you. And I would love to see you at a session very soon. Thank you.